Hi and welcome. In this video, we continue our exploration of functions transformation. In particular, we'll see how we can reflect a given parent function. Reflection is in fact the image of an object produced by a mirror. If you look to this picture, this tree is being reflected in the water where the surface of the water playing the role of a mirror. Functions too can be reflected with respect to a mirror or a reference line or a reference point. For checking the reflections of functions, consider the function f, which is defined from a to b. Then there are three different ways that we can reflect this function. Reflection with x-axis, which is called xref, where the x-axis playing the role of the mirror. Yref, where the y-axis is playing the role of the mirror. And the oref, where the origin is considered as the mirror. X reflection is achieved by multiplying -1 with the equation of the function. That is, the xref of y is equal to f of x, which is the parent function, is y is equal to minus f of x. Using the graph of the function, suppose this is the parent function, and if we consider the x-axis as the mirror, the image of this function with respect to this x-axis is obviously this function here, whose equation is nothing but y is equal to minus f of x. For instance, find the xref of y is equal to f of x equals to x squared plus 2. What we do is we multiply the equation of this parent function with -1. As a result, we get the equation of the xref of this parent function. That is, the xref of y is equal to x squared plus 2s, y is equal to minus x squared minus 2. The y reflection of the parent function y is equal to f of x is y is equal to f of minus x. That is, x is replaced with minus x. And as a result of that, we get the yref of the parent function y is equal to f of x. That is, if we consider this parent function here and y as the mirror, the image of this function with respect to the y is this function here. Remember that this part here is the image of this part of the parent function, and this part here is the image of this part of the parent function. For instance, if we want to find the yref of the function 3x minus 5, what we do is we replace x with minus x. As a result, we get the yref to be 2 times minus x minus 5, which is minus 3x minus 5. In order to get the yref, what we do is we multiply the function with -1 and we replace x with minus x. That is, we apply the xref and yref simultaneously, and as a result, we get the O reflection. For example, consider this parent function here with the equation y is equal to f of x. Then the O reflection of this function is this function, which is the x reflection of the y reflection, or the y reflection of the x reflection, or we apply the x reflection and the y reflection simultaneously in order to get the O reflection. For instance, consider the function y is equal to f of x is equal to square root of x plus 2 and find the OREF. What we do is we replace x with minus x and multiply everything with -1. As a result, we get y is equal to minus f of minus x, which is minus square root of minus x plus 2, which is minus square root of minus x, plus times minus is minus 2. And this is the equation of the OREF of this parent function. Remember that the domain and range of the xref, OREF, and yref can be different from the domain and range of the parent function. Thanks for watching and good learning.